Statistics Canada just released a monthly survey of manufacturing, and I want to discuss three statistics that we monitor on a regular basis when it comes to the food manufacturing sector. Number one is food manufacturing sales. They've been slowing a little bit, down this month of August, the most recent month available, but if you look at it from a year-to-year basis, sales are up 3.7%. The second statistic is inventories. Inventories have actually gone up slightly in August, and are up 9% from where they were a year ago. And finally, the third statistic is the capacity utilization rate. Capacities actually came down slightly this month and is also lower from a year-to-year basis. So that means that this is actually consistent with slower production and slower sales. What these three statistics mean right now is that the industry is still growing. We have a very robust demand for food, but the growth that we recorded, let's say between the end of 2015 and the early part of 2018 in the food manufacturing sector, seems to be slowing down. So this is certainly something to monitor going forward, because a strong food manufacturing sector is actually very critical to the health of the entire supply chain, especially when you think of the farm level economy. For more insights, I encourage you to go to our website, fcc.ca, Ag Economics, where you'll find more details and insights related to the food manufacturing sector.